Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Hey folks, in this video we are going to cover some of the important things that you should know and remember in Linux. And very first thing is Linux has a super user account called root. Root is the most powerful account that can create, modify, delete accounts and make changes to system configuration files. Even root can delete its entire operating system as well if you issue a remove command on its main operating system files. So be very careful. Also, Linux is a case sensitive system, meaning a file or directory that is created with uppercase ABC is not the same as lowercase abc. Next thing is avoid using spaces when creating files and directories. Yes, because when you create spaces in a file directory as just like as if you were doing in Windows environment, Unix doesn't really like spaces and it will be very hard for you to log in or cd into those files and directories. So do not use spaces. Instead, you could use hyphens or dashes. Then Linux kernel is not an operating system. It is a small software within Linux operating system that takes commands from users, and pass them through the system hardware and peripherals. Then Linux is mostly CLI and not GUI or GUI. What is CLI? CLI stands for Command Line Interface, and GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. So when you are using Windows operating system, you will see everything is in a GUI. You use your mouse, you drag, drop, but in the Linux, most of the corporate environment, you will see nothing like that. You will be given a prompt where you would have to run the command using your keyboard only. And the last thing to remember is Linux is very flexible as compared to other operating systems. Yes, it might seem hard at the beginning when you are learning commands in that operating system. But once you know Linux, you could do so much in Linux operating system that you weren't able to do in other operating system. If you want to learn more about Linux, check out my best-selling course on Linux at udemy.com, or you could go straight to my website utclssolutions.com and you will find the exact same course there.